Namaha. Om Dhanvantri Namaha. As you know, myself Sharad Kumar. I am studying second year BMSc in Nalas Ayurveda Medical College. In previous video, I have explained about the clinical and morphological and other characteristics of Guduchi. Now I am with a new drug which was most important in Ayurveda, that is Aragvada. Let's see some of the informations which are mentioned in our classicals and samhitas, that is about Aragvada. This is Aragvada. It's a moderate sized deciduous tree which will be common throughout the India and which grows about 5 meters in length. The flowering season of Aragvada is, as mentioned in our classic, is April or May. You can see the flowers. This is the flowering season of Aragvada. The meaning of Aragvada in Sanskrit is that which eliminates disease without leaving any remnants in the body. Aragvada, botanically identified as a Cassia fistula. Cassia fistula is the botanical name of the Aragvada. It belongs to the family Caesalpinaceae. If you consider the regional names of the Aragvada, in English it is called as Indian laburnum, in Hindi it is called as Girimala, and in Kannada it is called as Kakke. In Telugu it is called as Kakka. The synonyms of Aragvada are Rajavruksha, Chaturangula, Dirghafala. The synonyms explains that the Rajavruksha means regarded as king of tree owing to its beauty, and it is also called as Krutamala. During flowering, the tree looks adorned with garlands. You can see this. Why it is called as Krutamala. It is also called as Dirghafala because the fruits are very long. As you can see, the fruits are very long. That's why it is called as Dirghafala. The chemical constituents fistulin, fistulic acid are the chemical constituents of Aragvada. Rasapanchaka of the Aragvada, as mentioned in our classicals and samhitas, that is in Nigantus and the other samhitas like Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita and Ashtanga Sangraha or Ashtanga Hridaya, the rasa, that is the taste of the Aragvada, is Madhura with Tikta as a Anurasa. The guna of Aragvada is Mrudu, Guru and Snigdha. Virya, that is the potency, is Ushna Virya. Vipaka is Madhura Vipaka, and Prabhava, its main action is on Kushtagna and Shrama Bheda. As mentioned in Dhanvantri Nigantu and Raja Nigantu, there are two types of Aragvada, Aragvada and Karnikara. Is the Vedas of the Aragvada mentioned in Dhanvantri Nigantu and Raja Nigantu. Indication of Aragvada, it is indicated in Prameha, that is diabetes, Sulakushta, Vibandha, Jwara, Aruchi, Amavata, Mrudurechana, Aruchi and Daha. Yogas of Aragvada, as mentioned in our classicals, is Aragvada Adi Kashaya, Aragvada Adi Grita, Aragvada Arishta. Vishishta Yoga is Aragvada Adi Leha. Aragvada Adi Leha is the Vishishta Yoga of Aragvada. The part used from Aragvada tree in classicals is fruit, root, bark, flowers and leaves. You can see the morphology of this Aragvada. The leaf are alternate, petiolate, compound and peripinnate with pulvinous at the base. You can see. The Ganas, Charaka, Sushruta and Vagbhata Maharshi included this Aragvada in some of the Ganas. That is, Charaka Maharshi included this Aragvada in Kushtagna Gana, Kandugna Gana, Tiktaskanda Gana and Virechana Gana. Sushruta Maharshi also included this Aragvada in some of the Ganas, that is Aragvada Adi Gana, Shyamadi Gana, Shleshma Samshamana Gana. And also Vagbhata Maharshi included this Aragvada in Aragvadadi and Shyamyadi Gana. Bhavaprakasha, Acharya Bhavaprakasha in Bhavaprakasha Nigantu mentioned this Aragvada in Aritakyadi Varga. it is anti-inflammatory and blood purifier, cardioprotective and antipyretic. As I got to know about from our elders is it is the best medicine for the wounds. The flowers are taken and roasted and made churna of this. If you apply with coconut oil for the wounds, the wound will clear as early. In some of the places, the flowers are used for making curry and they will intake it. They believe that it will cure all of the diseases which are related to the GIT. And one more thing is, as I got from elders, that is the flowers of this Aragvada is collected and kept in coconut oil for 24 hours in sunlight, and applying this on face will cure pimples and black spots, as well as it will give glowness to the face. Thank you. This is the small information I have collected from my elders and our Samhitas and classicals about Aragvada. Let's meet with a new drug in next video.